Today we're exploring a property that's all about potential and possibility, set right here in the peaceful town of Fairfield, Maine. This one sits on more than 20 acres of open, rolling land with nearly 900 feet of road frontage. The kind of space that gives you room to dream, build, or invest. Now, let's talk about the home. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath setup that's ready for someone with vision. Yes, it needs finish work and updates, but a lot of the important steps have already been taken care of, including insulation, propane systems, roof work, and mechanical improvements. So you've got a strong starting point to build from. As we step outside, that's where this property really shines. You've got wide open fields, peaceful surroundings, and that classic Maine countryside vibe. With over 20 acres here, you could keep it all for total privacy, create your own homestead, or explore subdividing the land for future development. There's real flexibility in how you use it. There's also a barn on the property, which could be restored for storage, animals, or maybe even turned into a workshop or studio space. And the location couldn't be better for anyone wanting the best of both worlds. You're tucked away in a quiet rural setting, yet just minutes from town amenities and I-95, making it easy to commute or grab what you need in town. Whether you're an investor, a builder, or someone dreaming of a Maine lifestyle project, this is a property with the kind of space and potential that doesn't come around often. Bring your ideas, bring your creativity, and turn this Fairfield opportunity into something truly special.